First, I want you to go to page 103 in your student journal and get the definition for complex conjugates. We've already read about the fundamental theorem of algebra, but if you go to the next page, page 104 in your journal, we can see there's another theorem called the complex conjugates theorem. This is similar to the square roots irrational theorem that we talked about yesterday in class, except instead of the square root of a number, we have a plus bi. Before we had a plus square root b. So for this theorem, it says if f is a polynomial function with real coefficients, we're going to say bi is an imaginary zero. We're pretending a is 0 for now. And then negative bi is also a zero of f. So now we want to go to your notes and go to example 3 and write a polynomial function. So this is what we did in class the other day, with a coefficient of 1 where the zeros are 2, and we're going to say I. We're going to get rid of the 3 plus. We're just going to say I. So remember, yesterday we talked about if you have the square root of 5, there's always a hidden 0, and it's negative square root of 5. So if we have I, there's always a hidden 0, and that hidden 0 is negative I. Okay? So if we want to solve this, we have to say f of x is going to equal, 2, the factor is x minus 2, times I, the factor is x minus I, and negative I, x plus I. So just like we did with the square roots, we want to FOIL the x minus I and the x plus I first. When we do that, we're going to get x minus 2 times, this is x squared, minus I plus I cancels out, so minus I squared, which is really a negative 1. So this is going to equal x minus 2 times x squared plus 1, because we have minus and negative. Now you just have to FOIL this, and if you multiply this out, you should get x to the third minus 2x squared plus x minus 2. And this is our final answer. Now looking below at the monitoring progress, I don't want you to do these problems, but I want you to cross off the 1 plus, cross off the 1 here, and cross out the 4 here. And we will do these in class tomorrow. Now I want you to refer to the second video to do example 4 for your notes.